Yes, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program English Education with Smart FM and of course collaboration with English communities of Makassar. And yeah, with me, Radias Hadizaril Sam or Erdisam. And I'm not alone here. We have a special friends from views communities of Makassar of South Sulawesi, of course. And yeah, before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, I would like to invite our friends to introduce themselves, yeah, each other one by one. But I would like to start from. Okay. You no you okay please please introduce yourself, yeah, what is your name, what is your meeting club, and what about the schedule or agenda, please.
All right. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Rizwan Awing, and I am one of the members of BPC. And right now I'm focusing on my community, namely Flinders English.
Oh, okay.
Only that. Thank
Mhm.
you.
Yeah, what about I mean, like the schedule of BPC itself before we are going to Flinders for the next weekend. Okay,
Uh,
what about BPEC? Are you
BPC
still
is
remember about BPEC?
of course,
It's
that's a
long
Benteng
time.
Point English Club, and
Uh-huh.
we cannot deny that it is the oldest English club meeting, I think.
Yes.
And it's really started in 1986 until right
Yes.
now it still exists. But
Mhm.
we cannot deny that there are so many members or so many kinds of English club that are rising this time, and we
Wow.
have to respect it. And until right now, I still remember it about this meeting club, BPC. Oh,
Wow, bright
wow,
and
bright
breezy.
and breezy. Thank you.
BPEC. Okay, thank you. And of course, the how to say the meeting conduct is every Sunday, 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
So if you want to introduce or even improve your English, guys, you just have to come to Benteng Banyu English Club
Uh-huh.
on Sunday. Every Sunday, starting from 10
Yes.
to 2 p.m.
Okay,
Only
thank
that.
you,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Rizwan. Okay, next. What about you? What is your name? What is your meeting club or yeah, English communities? And what about the agenda or the schedule?
Okay, thank you for the opportunities. I am Dio. I representative from Exit, Excellent Islamic Generation.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're English community based on multimedia library in Alauddin in front of Unismu Makassar.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, our agenda, we held weekly meeting every Saturday, or
Okay.
or sometimes we held it on Sunday too.
Okay.
If there is I mean, like, if we need if there's something we cannot conduct in Saturday, we conduct it on Sunday.
Oh.
Yeah, but and also
Okay.
currently we held also online meeting.
Mm.
Yeah, sometimes we conduct online
Online,
meeting.
offline, and hybrid.
Yeah,
Okay.
but we never try hybrid actually.
Whatever,
Yeah, but
you should
let's
try.
see. Yeah.
You should try.
Yeah, hopefully we can try a hybrid, so
Okay.
most of people can join.
So, I mean, what about your English community? Is free of charge, and how the people can join?
Oh yeah, actually it is free for public also. So
Mhm.
everyone who wants to learn English, who want to improve their speaking skills, and also want to discuss and talking in English, they
Yeah.
they can join in our meeting.
Mhm.
It's totally free without any charge. And also we are going to do open recruitment soon.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Okay.
if you want to know more, just stay tuned on our Instagram.
Oh, what is Instagram?
Exit Makassar.
Okay.
Just,
Please follow, please,
yeah.
and ask anything.
You can ask.
Okay. Thank you,
Yeah,
Dia
thank you.
from Exit. Okay. Next, the one and only. Okay. Do you get my point? I mean, my question. What is your name? Of course. Agenda or schedule, please.
Okay, thank you very much for this opportunity. Where I introduce myself, my name is Bese Hadijah Abbas. Just call me Bese. I am from Kemchi Group.
Okay. What is Stanford?
Kahfi English Meeting Club Indonesia.
Wow.
This
What about the schedule or agenda, Bunda?
The schedule just for once month in a week, the first week in a month. But now Just holiday.
Okay.
Still
Okay.
holiday.
Okay, still holiday.
Yes.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you.
Bunda Bese.
Okay then.
Okay, next. What about you? What is your name? What is your meeting club? What about the agenda or schedule?
Okay, thank you so much. First, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Okay.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before I introduce myself, I'm gonna
Mhm.
confess my feeling right now because I'm really nervous right now because I am surrounded by amazing people
Oh my God.
tonight. Yeah. Okay. My name is.
I like your energy.
Thank you so much. Okay, my name is Rahma.
Mm-hmm.
My full name is Rahmawati Sultan, but just call me Rahma
Okay.
without H.
Ah.
Okay.
Oh, without age.
Yep. Okay, I'm the representative from Meta. It's Matcha English Stall Assembly.
Okay.
This Meta, created by Matcha Education,
Mm-hmm.
is for all circles who want to learn English language for free, of course, for free.
Okay, good.
But I want to highlight it something that Meta is not here to compete.
Okay.
Instead, we invite all the English
Collaboration.
community. Yes, all the English community in Makassar to join us, to participate with us in English language development. For example, because our agenda will be on Saturday,
Okay.
so I wish that everyone here could come, so we can like work together to create the right English environment and also in English language development.
Okay. So what about the schedule, please?
The schedule will be on Saturday this week.
Okay.
Start
Location?
start from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. in Nipah Park Makassar.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Wow, mall. Right?
Yeah. This time
On
we
the
choose
way.
the mall. Okay.
Okay, so if people want to join, how they can join?
There is no administration fee or form that you have to fill. You just come. You just come to the place
Okay.
and be the participants.
And
or,
for more detailed information,
uh,
what the next procedure? I mean, if the people want to know anything, maybe you have Instagram, guys.
Oh yeah, I'm so sorry guys, I forget.
Yeah.
So all the listeners, if you want to know more about Meta, you may follow us in Instagram. The account name is Matcha Community.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Rama,
you.
very diplomatic. Okay, guys, that's all. How to say they introduce themselves one by one, and of course, we are going to talking about our topic for this evening. And when we're talking about education, of course, this is very relate about the system. And when we're talking about the system, one of good indicator of the system is curriculum, and that's why we would like to talking about the new curriculum in Indonesia, and the topic is Merdeka Curriculum of Indonesia. Giving applause for us. Yes, can't wait to discuss this. Okay, anyway, yeah, our topic is once again curriculum, Merdeka Curriculum of Indonesia. I want to start from you, Rahma. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
In my opinion, this topic is huge for me because I'm not coming from the educational background, but of course it is related to English language. This is a huge issue because the Merdeka curriculum is a new curriculum in Indonesia introduced by the Minister of Education, Culture, Research and Technology
Right.
in 2021
Mhm.
as an effort to improve education system in Indonesia.
Mhm.
Because nowadays we live in the era of globalizations.
Yes.
And of course, the demands on students' abilities are not only limited to academic abilities,
Mhm.
but also life skill abilities, creativity, innovations. And this Merdeka curriculum is designed to meet these demands. And the government wish that it can help the students to be prepared for future challenges.
Mhm.
But for me, it is not only for future challenges, but
Mhm.
it's also for what happening in the present.
Yeah.
In the present day.
Right now.
So so the students may tackle the problems or overcome the challenges what's happening today,
Yeah.
even inside and outside the school.
Oh wow!
Yeah,
So
that's
this curriculum is like
Yeah.
exploring
Yeah,
many
exploring
things.
many things. Yeah.
Looks like you are very super ready for this this time this evening. Okay, thank you, Rahma. So next, you, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
All right, thank you. I think this topic is really interesting for me because we
Mhm.
have known together that Merdeka curriculum has just established by the Minister of Education Indonesia.
Right.
And it happens because we've got COVID-19 era that time. That's why the Minister of Education always think that we have to try to find the solutions because the moment for learning for the students is really far away. That's why we
Mhm.
have to find the solutions. And in one side, we have to be positive that curriculum Merdeka is really helpful for the teacher and
Mhm.
also for the students because in this moment the teachers are persuaded to make a content that's really essential by using technology not only for the teacher but also the students. They have to think how to present the material by using the content or
Mhm.
IT, and it's really useful for me. I think.
So maybe we can highlight that this curriculum make acceleration of our education system, something like that,
Yeah,
right?
I think so.
Ah,
That's
okay.
really good relation. We really give a good feedback for
Mhm.
the students in the future in this era also.
Oh wow, excellent. Thank you, Mr. Rizwan. You, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
Okay, to be honest, I graduate from education, so
Oh
yeah.
wow, it's linear.
Yeah, it's kind
Yes.
of relate to me.
Uh-huh.
But when I was in a grade in a university,
Uh-huh.
I haven't meet this curriculum yet. So
Mhm,
this
mhm.
curriculum haven't published yet, haven't announced yet. So
Mhm.
what I've learned is just K13
Ah,
from university.
yeah.
So when the first time I heard about this curriculum Merdeka, I kind of thinks that it's a interesting curriculum that I think
Mhm.
because what I heard outside
Okay.
that this curriculum let the students explore everything that they want to explore. Let
Mhm.
let the teachers become what is it, more futuristic,
Mhm.
not only book based, paper based. They can use a lot of things to explore about the topic that they want to teach to the students. And so I
Yeah.
think like, oh, that's an interesting one. So I'll try to look from the what is it, the other side of this curriculum.
Mhm.
So I think like, oh, when I heard I heard
Mhm.
in K13 the administration is kind of stressful for the teachers. Yes.
Oh my God.
And yes.
Too honest. Okay,
Yes,
okay. Continue.
and when this curriculum published, even our ministry said that the teachers no need to make a long lesson plans, just need one paper lesson
But
plans.
in reality,
it's kind of interesting. But in reality, when we look deep into this curriculum, it's not that simple actually. That's
Okay.
why I found this topic interesting to talk
Okay.
about. Since I mean, like we maybe if you are in the education field, you already heard advantage and more a lot of advantage and disadvantages from this curriculum actually.
Okay, keep your statement.
Yeah.
Nice explanation. Welcome to Merdeka Curriculum,
Yeah,
dear. Okay, next, the one and only Bunda Bese. How do you think about our topic for this evening, Merdeka Curriculum?
Okay, so enlarge knowledge
Mhm.
because now era global
Yeah.
Indonesian curriculum system method.
Mhm.
So about Merdeka curriculum, this the student to emphasize to make the freedom to make in learning in
Yes,
learning
yes.
study in curriculum
Uh-huh.
in running curriculum, and then the teacher make the design to make design the curriculum to teach the methods, the
Okay.
Merdeka curriculum.
So this
So-
point you means freedom, like based on the interesting and talent maybe of the students,
yeah, the
something like
talent
that.
and to increase and encourage their skill.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Only that?
Yeah,
You keep your
that's what
statement?
I-
Okay,
yeah.
thank you, Bunda Buse. Okay, we move to the second question. My second question is why we should always change our curriculum. Always change, why? Always change, why? Why we should always change curriculum? Okay, you, Mr. Rizwan. Okay, please.
All right, thank you. We cannot deny that when we make something new, it
Mhm.
means that we have to find something better.
Yeah.
And even we have to try to make an adaptations
Mhm.
for the era that's happening right now. If we have to be a flashback about the curriculum that applied, that implemented by the government,
Yeah.
I still remember that time I was the students of vocational high school and I got KBK, curriculum berbasis kompetensi. It
Yeah,
means that
yeah.
we have to try to fight each other. It means that we have to improve. We have to express our idea only for getting the score,
Oh, yeah.
the highest score,
Uh-huh.
because we have known together that when we got a first rank, the second rank, it's really fabulous for the students in that time. But
Mhm.
right now, for curriculum Merdeka, we have to also try to make adaptations with the content that sometimes use the technology and IT. In one
Mhm.
side, we have to also think that a learning loss that happened to the students because of COVID is really high. That's why curriculum Merdeka is implemented by the government as a straightforward step
Mhm.
or the next step for the covering the learning loss that happened to the students.
Yeah. Oh, when I see the speakers, it's look like a debater. If like debater, like debater. But yeah, I see. The past, how to say masa lalu is a debater maybe.
Yes.
Okay. It's very excellent. So I get the point that we should change because the era. We have to adapt. We have to, because the era to insist us to change, always change and always change. Okay, thank you. You. Why we should change? Do you have another answer or maybe similar or?
Maybe it's similar answer, but
Okay.
and as I said before that we live in the era of globalizations. Of
Mhm.
course, we have to follow what's happening in this era.
Yeah.
Adapt what's happening in the era.
Yeah.
And the Merdeka curriculum is a new way of teaching in Indonesia, and that's all about making learning more fun and effective.
Okay.
And it is for me it is a great news, especially for English learners, as it means they have more chances to practice their English,
Yeah.
especially in speaking, listening,
Mhm.
writing, and reading.
Are you a teacher?
No, in the real world situation.
Because the basic skill, speaking,
No.
listening,
Maybe
writing.
because- yeah, maybe
Yes.
because I was joining the IELTS class. That's
Oh,
why I know.
okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
It sounds great.
So yeah, we have to follow the era of globalization. What
Mhm.
the students need and interest.
Okay.
Like that.
Oh wow, it's similar. Yeah, the
Yeah.
essence is similar, but the redaction is different. But yeah, we do hope that in this curriculum, of course, give big impact, positive impact to our, how to say, country. Yeah.
Yeah, like for me, it's not that the previous curriculum is not totally changed, but the
Okay.
government giving the improvement from the previous curriculum.
Mhm.
So we follow the era of globalization.
Okay,
Yeah.
like transformed,
Yeah, transforming.
not change.
Not change. Yeah,
Okay.
transforming.
Okay, good
Thank
point.
you.
Okay, what about you, Bunda? We say why we should always change the
Oh.
curriculum.
Because have to be suitable with the situation. Yeah.
Sorry,
Era
sweet.
global-
Am I sweet?
condition the area
Uh-huh.
because the future methods also ago make it boredom for the student in the class.
Okay. You
Yeah.
feel that?
Yes, I feel that because I have been a teacher,
Oh, mashallah. Uh-huh.
so that
Until now, maybe.
this is
Until now, you are a
and
teacher.
yes,
Okay.
but not teacher, but a
Lecturer.
lecturer. Now.
Okay. Continue.
Yeah, there's influence the Merdeka curriculum.
Mhm.
This is important because the government have a program make a competency.
Oh yeah.
Yes, competency program in every program in government
Mhm.
have to applicate
Mm.
this program. Then I have to make it's better make increase the skill students.
Yeah.
Even it's better in even
Yes.
about digital and
Yeah.
teknologi
Mm.
because this year's this
It's like a merge,
Merge.
yeah,
Yeah,
between
make a
conventional and
merge.
technology.
make a match technology in
Mhm. Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Yes,
Whatever
I
say.
know.
Okay, keep your statement. We will be right back after this. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smart FM 101, the spirit of Indonesia. 1.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. We are back here. Giving applause for us. Okay, thank you guys. Okay. We continue our second questions about why we should change curriculum, change, and change. Please, Dio from Exit.
Okay, so why we should change the curriculum? I mean, like always changes like that.
Yes.
Just because
Changes.
like if we convert it in our real life, we like always learn from the past.
Mhm.
That's why we have to change our
Ah.
curriculum. Always
Wait
have
a
an
moment.
improvement.
Wait a moment. Learn from past. It means that move on, yeah.
Yes, kind of like that. I mean, like
Okay. Continue.
okay, the good
Uh-huh.
things from the past that we can take to
Mhm.
bring together.
Mhm.
We bring together, and but the what is it? The bad one lah.
Oh my god, the bad one. Bad one or bad
how do-
people?
how do I say it? The bad things that
Uh-huh.
we have in the past,
Okay.
we leave behind. We leave that behind.
Leave the people toxic. Sorry,
Yeah,
out of
kinda
the
like that.
topic. Okay, continue.
So that's why we need to have what is it again? We have to not change actually, but improve the curriculum. So
Okay.
it's not always, we are not always stuck and left behind from the other countries or something
Mhm.
like that. Because
Mhm.
imagine our social media, we are always updated, but our curriculum we are not updated at all. How come?
Okay, so not only antivirus, yeah,
Yeah,
should be updated, but
not
also
only
curriculum.
antivirus. Yes, of
Right.
course.
Okay, thank you. It's very interesting statement. Okay, I changed my question for the third question. I move to Bunda Bese. Yeah. When we compare the curriculum, what is the advantages of Merdeka curriculum than the others curriculum before? On your perspective. Yes.
Yeah, I think so. It is the influence with the students.
Mhm.
The student make it creative in our knowledge. Much increase their knowledge which digital
Yeah.
because Merdeka curriculum this is have connected with technology performance, and then the student we have to have much study about the program.
It's not
inside in
overload
technologies.
like before,
Overload.
like the curriculum, the old curriculum.
Yes.
Okay.
So so the student have encouraged
Okay.
to study much because in inside technology more some knowledge inside we have to the student knows about
Mm.
inside. Okay.
Okay, so the difference is very significant, right,
Yes.
Bunda? Because because there is technology, adapt to it, technology,
Yes.
and of course the system is how the students is discovering by
Discovering
itself,
by itself.
not
Yes.
totally follow the pattern, the system, the curriculum like previous curriculum, right?
Right. Okay.
Mm,
Thank you.
okay. Okay, I move again to you, Dion. So, you get the point? The
Eh,
question?
Yes, the advantage of
Yes. What is the advantages?
Okay, so comparing from previous curriculum, so it's not paper-based or book-based anymore.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so the students can explore the lessons from any other resources. Like for example, we can access internet. We can
Mm.
also we can also ask the expert. The students allows to ask the expert
Okay.
directly without without intervention from the teacher. If they want to know
Mhm.
and they advance enough to email the expert, that's
Mhm.
okay for them.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's the advantage that I get, and also the teachers can choose learning model that they can adapt.
Mm.
Actually, there are a lot of learning models and strategies that they can adapt in this curriculum. So
Wow.
yes, there are a lot of if you see in the Instagram, TikTok, or something like that, there's a lot of there's a hashtag that is Guru TikTok, Guru Merdeka Belajar, and when you
Okay.
open the hashtag from that, you can see a lot of various
Wow.
strategy that you can apply. Not only in formal schools, we can also apply. For example, in Meka, you can apply that strategy. So
Okay.
every teachers can apply strategy from anywhere now. Not
So means there are a lot of resources
Yes.
inside,
Yes.
and of course include technology.
Yes.
And the action is out of the boxes.
Yes, because in this curriculum, the teachers allowed to do improvisation.
Yeah, like a singing a song, we have like
Yeah.
the same improvisation by.
Yeah.
Come on, Gail. Kidding. Okay, move to you, Mr. Rizwan. How do you think about this?
All right. Okay. Thank you. I think it is not a piece of cake
Mhm.
when the government make a transforming the
Okay.
previous curriculum to the update curriculum because
Yeah.
they have to consider many sides.
Mhm.
In the first one, automatically we have to try. The government always think about the positive side or even the negative side from the previous curriculum.
Ladies
Eh,
and gentlemen.
Yes.
I'm standing here. I am positive side because. Okay, continue.
Okay.
Kidding.
And of course, we have. I always remember that when I was the students in senior high school, my teachers always use a teacher-centered learning.
Ah, yeah.
It means that all
Right.
of the explanation will be focusing on the teacher. But right now, it's really interesting because all of the teaching and learning interactions
Yeah.
will be focusing on the students.
Right.
And automatically, of course, we have to think that this is the positive side of Merdeka curriculum. And also it is supported by the using of technology because we have known together that Gen Z or the students right now will be more and more enthusiastic, will be eager beaver when they are taught by using content or even TikTok or even the content that's really essential for teaching.
Wow.
Only that.
Yeah, powerful. Thank you. Move to you, sister.
Uh,
Sister or miss?
You can call me both of them.
Sister and miss.
Okay.
Okay. The
Uh,
advantages.
The advantages.
Not only is, but are.
Okay. What is another word of boring though? Yeah, because what I know is because I was students back then.
Uh-huh.
Like the previous curriculum is a bit boring for me.
Okay.
Yeah, because we learn what the books said there, what the books are written there.
The curriculum maker here, you hear.
Okay. But nowadays the Merdeka curriculum give freedom to the teachers to create lessons that are tailored to the needs and interests for their students.
Taylor Swift.
No, tailored.
Okay.
And
Okay.
also vice versa with the students, because
Definitely.
the students also have freedom to learn more about what they want to learn, and they
Okay.
can learn on their own pace and in a way that is most engaging for them. Yeah. So as I mentioned before, that this Merdeka curriculum making learning more fun and effective. Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, guys, smart listeners and viewers, and you guys, yeah, my friends, everything is not perfect. Yeah, and we will talking about the opposite of the other side,
Yeah.
because we're talking about the advantages. Of course, we will talking about the opposite, and the other words it's
Yeah.
kekurangan, or the weakness. So yeah, what is the weakness? Because we're talking about this opposite, the weakness of the Merdeka Belajar itself.
I will mention the specific one.
Mhm.
The weakness is the schools and teachers preparations.
Yeah.
This Merdeka curriculum need shift in teaching methods.
Yeah.
So it makes maybe some teachers need additional training.
Okay.
Additional training to be
okay.
to effectively implement it. So it's all about how well the preparation from the school and the teacher to implement the new curriculum.
You means
Yeah.
that like overload, we have to put the extra
Yes.
time, extra energy,
right.
extra something like that. That's
Yeah,
why.
they have to put extra time to adapt the new curriculum. And
To organize.
yeah, to organize the
Yeah.
curriculum, because
Okay.
it's not easy to move from the previous curriculum and transform into the new curriculum. So they need to adapt it to the new curriculum.
And take a lot of time,
Yes,
right?
of course. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Good point. Okay, what about you, Dio? Yeah. So we're talking about the opposite,
Yeah.
right?
Okay, so
The weakness.
the opposite, the weakness of this curriculum is because this curriculum force engaging learning environment, but sometimes I mean, like, we know the students have a lot of different characteristic,
Okay.
and sometimes when the teachers forced to do interesting learning environment, forced to apply that in the class, some of the students didn't fit on that. So that's become a learning gap between the students and the students and the other friends of them. Actually, I say this because I'm a teacher actually. So when I teach in my class,
Okay.
I found that problem. Because because for example, I force my class to become interesting by adding like ice breaking before we learn, by adding like games.
There is a one effective way to make their interesting. No ice breaking.
Yeah.
Give them ice cream. Yeah, I'm sure 100% they are very interested about it. Trust me, it works.
I will try that later. Yeah, when I because the curriculum told us, the teacher, to put ice breaking
Yeah.
or affirmations or something like that.
Yeah.
But some students didn't really enjoy the ice breaking because maybe the students is in the low energy or something, or maybe
Okay.
maybe it's not fit just not fit.
After this, you
with
have to
them.
give them ice cream.
I'm sure. So that's become the problem in the class.
Oh wow, yeah, thank you, Dio. Okay, Bunda Bese, please. We're talking about the opposite side, the weakness
The
of the
weakness
system. Yes.
is the system. I think so that the system, the students have some of the student
Mm-hmm.
since about the technology is too expensive to have the like a laptop or like apa, laptop and HP.
Yeah. Smartphone. Yes.
To have that is the weakness because Indonesia, you know that Indonesian still a poor country.
Like like we have to put we have to put the extra properties, and we need a lot of budgeting, right?
No, so no Indonesia so much have
Bunda said that, kita membutuhkan banyak banget peralatan sehingga pendananya juga banyak kayak gitu ya.
oh, I think so no.
No. Why?
The government emphasize to the student to have
Oh my god.
technology.
Yeah, I see.
Yes,
Okay.
I think so. So some students
Not responsible
borrow
of the
to
government? No, really?
Yes.
Oh,
No,
wow.
provide from government. No.
Mhm.
Have
The
to-
government choose me.
Yeah.
Say Bunda, choose me to be one of a team.
Yes. Then the second have too much know about the program in technology.
Mhm,
They
mhm.
just have to course.
Oh,
Take a
yeah.
course.
Uh-huh.
So the people think it's not every people different capability.
Okay, take a lot of time, take a lot of properties, take a lot of budgeting, take a
Yeah.
lot of yeah.
Yes.
Okay, can we take a long break? Okay, so the government have to guarantee, yeah.
Yeah. Have to give guarantee
Mhm.
and give.
Yeah, it's something like that, Bunda. Yeah. Okay, thank you. It's very interesting. Giving applause for us. Oh my god. Okay. Because we're talking about the weakness, the strengths, what is curriculum Merdeka itself, why we should change, and now we are going to the fifth question, maybe. Yeah. Is it enough for the time? Okay. My fifth question is, okay, is possible Merdeka curriculum? Oh no. I changed my question. Merdeka curriculum actually, when we will start and until when the Merdeka curriculum how to say to run to operation in Indonesia. So I mean in bahasa kapan dan sampai kapan ini bisa dipakai, something like that. Do you get the point, right? Because our curriculum always changes. Yeah, something like that. Okay, start from you, Mr.
All right.
Rizwan.
Okay. Thank you. I have to tell you that Merdeka curriculum, or AKA prototype curriculum,
Mhm.
is really flexible, and we have to think when probably it will be implemented. We have known together that it's already done in 2021, right?
2021?
And will be legally,
Okay.
officially implemented in this year,
Okay.
2024, probably like that, because it's already issued by the Minister of Education that all the schools will use Merdeka curriculum.
Mhm.
But we have to think also that because nothing is perfect, sometimes we will find the drawbacks or negative side of curriculum. Many teacher will be administrative person
Mhm.
because
Mhm.
they have
Oh
to
my
focus
God.
on report
Oh
and
my
report.
god. Oh my
They have
god.
to spend the time only for
Uh-huh.
completing,
Uh-huh.
while it means that they will be far away from the first duty, the main duty they have
Big
to teach.
task.
But
Uh-huh.
they have to spend the time only for completing the administration.
Mm,
That's the negative side for
Absolutely.
me. And for the next one, of course, the students will be focusing on one subject because they just have to choose their favorite subject.
Okay.
How about the other one? Automatically, they will not be focusing, and this is the negative side.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Probably when 5 years later or even 10 years later, because we have known together that every 4 years the
Okay.
curriculum should be replaced by the new one.
Every 4 years, yeah?
Yeah,
Not 5?
I know. I think so. If there is a new one,
Uh-huh.
the new consideration, the new decision probably happens in 5 years.
Okay. Change curriculum, change them. No. Okay. Okay, with that. Okay, what about you? Your perspective about the this curriculum. When will we start to using it? And what about the expired time? Is any expired of the curriculum?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this curriculum. The first time I heard this curriculum announced in 2020, I think.
20.
But it's just like
Mr. Rizwan?
yeah, Mr. Rizwan said, it's just a prototype first. So just this year, the ministry asked the schools to apply this curriculum.
Okay.
Yeah, and with the good development, actually, this curriculum will stay longer than the previous curriculum. It could be
It's longer.
yes, it could be applied longer because this curriculum quite flexible, actually. But of course, every new things have a lot of critics. That's why with the right improvement and development and also like what Mr. Rizwan said that administration focus. I mean, to reduce the administration, it could be more effective. So with this improvement, in my opinion, it could be this curriculum could be used for a long time. Not only like 5 years, but it could be maybe in 20 years later.
Do you know when you say reduce? Do you know when you say reduce?
Yeah.
I imagine skripsi. Reduce, improving, developing, enriching, and Yes.
A new regulation decision from the Minister of Education that every student from undergraduate students, they don't have to make a research paper like a script or even thesis again
Good.
when they are going to finish their education.
Good.
That's a new information.
Okay. Spill.
Right now? Is it already implemented, guys?
Will be because
Oh.
the Merdeka curriculum will be implemented in 2024,
Okay.
and maybe it is one of it.
Okay.
That's so
Good.
glad for them. They don't need
there
to make
is.
the scripts, you know.
there is graduator that graduated without scripts.
For
Yeah.
listeners and viewers at home, a lot of hosts here. Okay, good. I like it. Okay, what about you, Bunda? Is it will be longer than before that previous curriculum?
Oh, this curriculum is make advantage
Mm-hmm.
for the student because the student they have to develop the skill, and then the teacher make the science, the methods how to teach, and then the students have a freedom to make a learning in running curriculum.
So longer or not?
I said not so longer. Depend on the students.
Okay. Okay. Short question. Longer or not?
Okay, longer or not, it depends. You know, actually, you guys all mentioned all what I say, well, what in my brain, but I just want to adding one point that if the result of this Merdeka curriculum is good and better than before, of course, this curriculum maybe take a longer time to implement it. And yeah, but of course, as Mr.
Rizwan?
Rizwan say, that every 4 years there is changes. But if this Merdeka curriculum is good,
Like our election,
yeah.
4 or 5.
So maybe it's not changing, but it's improvement if there is a
Okay.
lack of this Merdeka curriculum.
Improvement,
Yeah.
enriching, developing, like a
Yeah.
script. Like, okay, thank you. What about your conclusion about our topic for this evening, please?
Okay, so to top it all off,
Yes.
this Merdeka curriculum encourage the
Mhm.
school to collaborate with other schools outside the countries.
Mhm.
So it can give opportunities for the students,
Yeah.
communicate directly with the native speakers from
Mhm.
outside the country, and also they can learn more about different culture,
Okay.
like that.
Oh wow. Okay, what about you, Bunda? About the conclusion, make it
Oh,
short.
conclusion.
Yeah.
Curriculum Merdeka is advantage for the have students knowledge
Mm-hmm.
and budget
Yeah.
and time and develop their skill.
Yep.
I think so.
Ah, thank you.
Because-
It's short. Good. What about you? What is the conclusion? Make it
Okay.
short, please.
So this curriculum, which is Merdeka curriculum or curriculum
Mhm.
Merdeka,
Yes.
is a good one actually, but with the right development.
Mhm.
By looking the weaknesses, the problems that the teacher and students face in the classroom and in applying this curriculum.
Like put analysis of SWOT, right?
Yes.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Okay, thank you, Dia from Exit. Okay, what about you? What is your
Alright,
conclusion?
Thank you. I think Merdeka curriculum or a prototype curriculum is this a challenging for the teacher because they have to think
Mm.
flexible time and also flexible approach for the students, and of course the teacher cannot be a dally.
Mhm.
It means that they have to be lazy, but they have to try to be creative,
Yes.
even though they have to be a administrative person.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's like multiple.
This Merdeka curriculum like adding a new job desk to the teachers.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So guys, you have a vocabularies or maybe idioms or maybe final words or wisdom words. Okay, please.
I've got a one, some actually.
Okay, okay.
The first one is teacher's pet.
Yes. What
Teacher's
is that?
pet, it
In
means
bahasa?
that,
In bahasa,
uh,
please.
Teacher's pet, it means that siswa favoritnya para guru.
Ah.
Teacher's pet.
teacher's
Pet means the hewan peliharaan,
Oh
but
my
the
God.
real meaning is not. Okay, it means that the favorite student for the teacher.
Okay.
And the next one is dali-dali.
Dali-dali.
Dali-dali. It
Uh-huh.
means that bermalas-malasan.
Ah,
So we are as a
dali-dali.
teacher, we cannot be dali-dali.
Oh, good.
yeah.
What about the others? Do you have a wisdom words or final statement or vocabularies or idioms? Do you have idioms? No, no idea. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you, Mr. Rizwan from BPEC. Thank you, Dia from Exit. Thank you, Bunda Besa from Kemchi. Thank you, Miss Rahma, yeah, from Meta. Thank you guys for coming here in our second home. That's all, guys. Yeah, smart listeners and viewers at home. Our discussion and talking about curriculum Merdeka curriculum of Indonesia. And don't forget to listen and watch Smart FM 101.1 The Spirit of Indonesia. Yeah, our program English communities. Yeah, of course, English education every Tuesday at 7 p.m. every week. So see you. Bye bye. See you next week.